In this video I am going to show you how to get more dice in Monopoly Go. Unfortunately, Monopoly Go does not provide the method to get unlimited dice rolls. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. But in Monopoly Go, you can acquire more dice to enhance your gameplay. There are some step-by-step methods. Step number 1. Free dice links. Monopoly Go provide daily links that offer free dice rolls. These links grant you 20, 25 or 30 dice rolls per link. Some days 2 links are released. To redeem them, simply tap on an active link and it will redirect you to the game with free rolls. To stay updated, bookmark a reliable source for these links. Step number 2. Complete event milestones. Events play a significant role in Monopoly Go. By participating in daily and special events, you can earn entertainment and awesome rewards, including free dice. For instance, the ongoing fast and luxurious events offer 6,500 free dice rolls for completing the level 42 milestone. 4,300 points. Step number 3. Invite new players. Invite friends to join the game via the Friends tab at the bottom right corner of the main screen. As more players join through your link, you will receive additional free dice rolls. So here are some steps you can consider. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.